Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this beautiful charm earrings. I've added a beautiful angel charm to it. It gives a beautiful look to this earrings. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you find time, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. So for this project I'm using a pearl cotton yarn and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So starting row 1 would be magic ring and 8 single crochet on the magic ring, and then we will do a slip stitch onto the first single crochet to finish off this row. Okay, row 2 would be chain 3 and then double crochet 2 together. This is considered as our first double crochet 3 together. And then chain 2. On the next single crochet, work double crochet 3 together. So on each single crochet we will work double crochet 3 together and then chain 2. So at the end of this row we will have 8 double crochet 3 together with chain 2 spaces in between. So once we are done this, we will do a slip stitch onto our starting double crochet 3 together, which is the chain 3 plus double crochet 2 together. So I am doing a knot on the center to close the magic ring. Continue working on this pattern until the end of this row. Now we can start with row 3. For this we are going to do a slip stitch on the chain 2 space, then work 2 double crochet and then chain 3, 2 double crochet on the chain 2 space. And then in the next chain 2 space work 2 single crochet, and then in the next chain 2 space work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets. And then in the next chain 2 space work 2 single crochet. Continue to repeat this till the end of this round, and then we will work a slip stitch onto the top of starting double crochet to finish this row. So now we are starting with row 4. For that we will work a chain 1 single crochet on the first double crochet and one more single crochet on the next double crochet. So one single crochet on each of the next 2 double crochets, and then work 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet on the chain 3 space. And then work 1 single crochet each on the next 2 double crochets. So we work 1 single crochet on each of the next 2 double crochets, and then work 1 single crochet on top of the next 2 single crochet of the previous row. So we work 1 single crochet each on the next 2 stitches, and then work 1 single crochet each on the next 2 double crochets, and in the chain 3 space work 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet, and continue working in this pattern throughout this row 4, and then do a slip stitch on top of the starting single crochet, and then you can fasten off and secure your yarns. Now our work is complete. I am going to fasten off, do a slip stitch and secure my work. Now this, to stiffen this, I have blocked my work using 1 part glue and 1 part water. Dip my work in that and take it out and dry it for 24 hours, which will stiffen my work. And now if you see, it's not wobbly and it's stiff, so it's perfect for our earring. So to this, now we can attach some hoops. So I am attaching this hoops to my earrings, and now to add an extra cuteness, I am adding some angel charms at the bottom of our earring. So now you can see our earrings are ready and looks very beautiful. It's very easy and quick to make. Please try this at home, and please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.